Hi everyone, welcome to the screencast for May 27th, Memorial Day. Hope everyone is doing well. Schedule for the week, no school today. We do have a lot of field trips or a lot of special events happening here. I'm not going to read them all off, but I see that we have some field trips going places. We have a battle of the books going on, lots of different things, so just be aware of that. PBIS t-shirts. Teachers, I talked to you about this at our staff meeting, but all staff, paras, secretaries, cooks, we want everybody to be getting a t-shirt. There is a link here to fill this out so that you can get your t-shirt here at the beginning of the next school year. So for all staff that will be here next year, make sure that you fill it out. If you're interested, here is what it will look like. Thank you, Kristen and John Polhill, for your help with that. You can blow this up bigger if you'd like to see it closer, but I'm excited about what it will look like. Make sure that you do that. You can see that we will have t-shirts for each student. We'll do our best to guesstimate sizes, and looking forward to that. Master schedule last week, I believe it was last week, I met with representatives from grade levels, special ed, a few others to look at our master schedule. Just a couple things. As a reminder, we removed wind time. We're keeping our energy breaks. Basically, it is the same schedule as last year. 4th and 5th grade will not switch prep times this year because band and orchestra will stay at the same time. There was some tweaking of energy break times, and the reason I say that is I want to make sure that grade levels look at that and make sure that that energy break time works for you, because once that's locked in, our EL and special ed and intervention people all try to work around your schedule. So once those are checked, we're good to go, but once we have them, we're not going to be changing them. So take a look at that, make sure that schedule works. We try not to have all of our school doing reading or math at the same time because of our pull-out groups. You can see the link there, so take a look at it. Not many changes from last year, so hopefully we'll have a smooth transition to next year when we use this master schedule. 4th grade news. Many of you saw the email that Kristen sent out, but congratulations, Kristen, who has accepted a technology integrationist position at Normanville Hills. We will miss you. So that means right now that we have 2 LCR positions in 4th grade that we need to fill. I posted one of those. The other will be posted on Tuesday. We'll begin interviewing on Tuesday and Wednesday. Just be aware of that. We definitely have some strong candidates, and we will get some strong ones to come in and join Becca as we move forward for next year. Hey, I'm going to say it again. We are at the end of the year, and I know at this time we often have some very anxious of students who are excited but nervous about the end of the year, wondering what's happening next year, all of that. So their emotions are out there. Just be aware of that. And because of that, I know I've said this before, energy breaks. Please be actively monitoring our students. Spread out. Maybe somebody needs to be on the playground if you're the younger kids that are using that space. Spread out as much as possible so that we are stopping things before they happen. Maybe there's some structured activities that you can do out there to mix it up. Whatever it is, just be aware that at this time of year, emotions seem to be coming out fast and furious with some of our kids, and we want to make sure that we have a good, smooth ending to the year, so be aware of that, and thank you for your help with that. And that is all I have. Have a great rest of the day, and see you all tomorrow. Take care, everyone.